Nico. Nico.
Hello?
I'm here. Nico.
Hello? Who is that?
We are Venom.
What is up, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've had a video. As you guys can see, I'm in a new studio. So in this video, I made a Venom, which is just the damaged part right here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go to the slicer. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Let's do it.
So let's go ahead and orient this first. We want to make sure that this is as flat as possible on the build plate. I'm going to fix that, center it. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and add automatic support structures just so that we can get all of this pre-populated, and I'm going to add more here along this rim, here as well, just that it prints properly, you know. So that's for the jaw, and then for the mask, we're going to go ahead and delete that. That's how you're going to do the jaw. For the mask, you're going to, this is all already scaled, by the way. If you guys need a tutorial on scaling, look at the top right corner. I'm going to link the video to how I scale my helmets. What I'm going to do for this actually is I'm going to make this, oh, wrong way, a little flatter. Yeah, I like that better. It's going to use less support underneath. So what I'm going to do is we're going to, again, just put supports along the rims right here, underneath the hinge system, the jaw stopper as well, right here for the rubber band. The teeth, make sure you put supports underneath each, at the tip of each tooth. That way it has a place to print on, and then just build support so that the print, they'll print the teeth properly. So just do that. So also along this part right here, that way it has somewhere to print it on. Same with this area, and then this is meant to be printed with flexible filament. With flexible, this part right here is going to sag due to its weight when it's printed. So what you want to do is put supports inside of that. So about here, here, this line, from here to about here, fill this in here. So these four would be your corners to make sure that these, maybe even all the way up to here. So these would be your corners, and I fill all of this in with supports. That way, this won't sag, because if it sags and it prints, it'll print with nothing there, because this layer becomes too low because it's sagging due to its weight. So that's how you're going to do it. Also, again, supports all across the rim here. So let's go ahead and load this onto the printer, and I'll show you guys how it looks.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is test the mechanism. Got my rubber bands in there. He can talk. Sweet baby Jesus. All right, he's good. So now I'm going to just take these band-aids, these rubber bands off, and then we're going to clean up all this stringing and whatever else, and then we're going to go ahead and prime and paint this. Yeah!
We are Venom.
All right, so we primed it, and it's really showing all the imperfections. There's some layer lines right here of a little bit of a shift, and then on top it's got like that wood grain looking thing. So I'm just gonna take Alex Flex. This thing, I found this at Home Depot, and this is great for flexible filament for when you're smoothing it out. There's a video about smoothing out flexible filament right here, and so it's like $8, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. It's been a while since I bought this, so I'm just gonna take this, apply it, and smooth this out just so I can get the surface that I want, and then after that we're gonna be done. Alright, so I'm an idiot and I forgot to record, but anyway, I started painting it. I put on the this color right here. I just got it from Home Depot. It's a watermelon something. There's the color code, the PPU, whatever. And I put it for the gums, and now I'm gonna do the teeth, and then after that we're gonna put the eyes on. Alright, so a few things that I've updated on this. I went ahead and hot glued that utility fabric inside the mask, and I've added some padding inside to make sure that my chin is up against this this jaw piece, so that it'll always articulate with the movement. And so now let's test this whole thing and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so that turned out great. It fits very, very well. It's nice and snug. It's not too tight. The padding in the rear and the chin, really, really super comfortable. I suggest doing that. So when you guys purchase the file, you'll be able to get the full version where it's undamaged, and this one where it's, you know, you got the half face going on. Both feature the articulating jaw, so it'll move with you as long as you put rubber bands inside, so it'll pull it right back up. And that's it, you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and join us in our Facebook group at 3D Printed Armor and Weapon Props. Also join me in my website at nicoindustries.com, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Like a turd in the wind.
Is it bird in the wind? Or is it turd? Is it, what is it? Is it bird or turd? I don't know. I don't know.